Okay, simple shadow analysis. Just opening the project, take the 3D view, and let's just say show mass form and floors. So here we have the overall model as made in the previous workshop. Now this is the site, the position of the sun is set up and so forth. So I'm going to switch off the diagram, but I'm going to change the sun settings so that we get a summer solstice at 12 in the afternoon, and we want to show the shadows of that as a starting point. So let's just modify the size of the drawing. First of all, we put it at 1 to 1000, and we concentrate on the block that's modeled. And once we've done that, let's just modify the graphic display so we give a little bit more weight to the lines there by using silhouettes, and then we'll actually turn the shadows up a little bit darker by using this lighting button, so the shadows actually become more heavy on the screen there. So that looks okay. So I'm just going to duplicate that view. And now I'm going to rename it. Rename. And I'm just going to call it Summer Solstice. Okay. Now I've done that, I can duplicate the view again. And I'm going to rename this and call it Autumn Equinox. So then we can go into the sun settings once more, do the same procedure, choose the fall equinox, because that's what autumn is called in the States, and modify the shadows for the same time, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And then what I'm going to do is repeat the process, duplicate the view, rename. This time we're going for the winter solstice. Apply that, get those winter shadows going. And the last one, duplicate the view, rename, and now we're going for the spring equinox. Spring equinox. Okay, so now we've got 4 views. So I'm just going to put them together on a sample sheet. So let's just rename the sheet, and we'll call it Shadow Analysis. Change the drawing number to something that makes sense according to the SFP code. That's what we use in Kia. So 99, 1, and 001. And now we just go over and drag in, start with the summer solstice. Drag in the summer solstice, the autumn, beside it there, to line up. And we'll use the winter, just put it a bit below here. It's off the sheet, but we'll modify that afterwards. And finally the spring equinox we can drag across. So let's just then clean all these up a little bit, move them up into position as far as we can, and take these two and just shunt them up a little bit. And I'm just going to switch off the crop region just to take some of the complexity out of the sheets. It's a little bit more graphically together. And then finally I'll just select the titles on the various drawings then we'll change it to one with no line, and then we'll just move it up into position somewhere where it makes sense. And there we have a shadow diagram, comparative. And don't forget to put in your north point at the end.